Life is good, but it could get better. And here's how.
Did you get the PowerPoint that I sent over to your emails today?
Every meeting could be an email. My husband would finally learn how to choose silently. So loud. And finally, if I could do my crafts anywhere at any time, seriously so hard. Have you ever tried to do beadwork while waiting for a parent-teacher conference? It doesn't end well. What about trying to catch up on your sewing during a Little League game? They don't make extension cords that long. And pottery on the go isn't as easy as they make it in the movies. You know what does work really well? Punch needle, especially Punch Needle Plus by Kimberbell. Yep, that Kimberbell. You know it. The mug rugs, featured quilts, all of the good things. So what is Punch Needle Plus? I'm glad you asked. We've taken Punch Needle and Kimberbellified it. If you don't know what that means, don't worry. We made that word up. Kind of like Muggle, tax-free, and self-cleaning oven. So let me lay it out for you. Punch Needle is cool, but Kimberbell makes it even cooler with applique. And then we make it cooler with embellishments. And the best part is, it all comes in a kit. Like everything. Nothing else to buy, except the new Romantasy audiobook to listen to while you punch needle.
For their common awkwardness and anxiety of the situation, Nell forced herself to speak.
Your punch needle kit has exactly what you need to finish your project from start to finish. Your canvas that's already been pre-stretched, yarn, pre-cut appliques, instructions, embellishments, and of course, your tools. That's right, each kit comes with a new tool, so don't worry if you misplace your first one. You could probably even gift it to your friend. Thank you. You're welcome. That way, you can both punch needle together during movie night while simultaneously comparing your husband to your book boyfriend. Punch needle is so simple that you can complete a project in a few hours. And even if you've never tried it before, it's literally the easiest thing to learn. Except for, I got nothing. Punch Needle Plus wins. Seriously, you'll be done around the time Lizzie falls in love with Mr. Darcy. We all know which scene that is. One more thing. Punch Needle Plus is the cleanest craft out there. Can we say that? So let's get started. Head on over to Kimberbell.com to pick out your first punch needle kit. If you'll excuse me, I'm gonna finish my project. No, seriously, go on.